to kick it off.
Yeah, back with the Loveland family, and first share is just icing on the cake.
Friggin' awesome.
Yeah.
Glad to share it with you boys.
It's gonna be great.
Thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, we got the Panda. Now this is a Saturday morning opening. When did you arrive?
Thursday afternoon.
Awesome.
About 3 o'clock.
That's some dedication to put some time in to earn that first chair.
Again, this is super special, and it just means the world to me. So it's not a sacrifice; it's a pleasure.
A pleasure sloping with you.
This is awesome.
All right. Rip it, ladies. Not long now.
Not long now.
I was here Thursday, so if
The line
you guys
started
are here
Thursday.
before me, let me know. just saying. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Opening day. Loveland. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Where do you guys want to be?
Right here, I guess.
You want me on the end?
Well, Tommy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.